A warm welcome to everyone listening to this video lecture series. In today's lecture, I am here to present on the topic construction aspects of pile foundations. In the previous lecture, we have studied about different types of pile foundation. Today, we will learn how piles are actually constructed on site from planning, drilling, concreting, and quality testing. So before starting the construction process, engineers must understand the site conditions. Common challenges include weak soil, high groundwater levels, limited bearing capacity, and nearby buildings where vibrations must be minimized. Proper planning and soil investigation help engineers choose the most suitable construction method and equipment. So, pile construction begins with careful planning. Engineers review the soil investigation report, decide the pile location, select suitable machinery, arrange construction materials, and prepare the work schedule. Good planning improves construction quality, reduces delays, and minimizes project cost. In this slide, we shall discuss about selecting the suitable construction method. Depending on the project requirements, different pile construction methods are adopted. First one is driven piles. It is a kind of pile which is suitable for open areas where vibration is not a concern. Next is board piles. These are preferred in cities because they generate very little noise and vibration. Micropiles have small diameters and are mainly used for strengthening existing structures or where workspace is limited. The final selection depends on soil condition, accessibility, and nearby structures. In this slide, we are going to discuss about layout and surveying. Before drilling begins, survey work is carried out. Engineers use total station to accurately mark pile locations. Permanent benchmarks are established, pile coordinates are verified, and a stable working platform is prepared for heavy equipments. Accurate layout is essential because even small errors can affect the alignment of the entire structure. In this slide, we are going to discuss about the process of boring. For bored piles, drilling is carried out using rotary drilling rigs. Temporary casing supports the upper soil layers, while bentonite slurry stabilizes the borehole walls and prevents collapse of the structure. Throughout the drilling process, engineers continuously monitor the vertical alignment and drilling depth. Proper borehole stability is critical for successful pile construction. In this slide, we are going to discuss about reinforcement and concreting. After drilling is completed, the reinforcement cage is lowered into the borehole using cranes. A Tremie pipe is then installed and concrete is poured continuously from the bottom upwards. This method prevents segregation and ensures that concrete completely replaces the bentonite slurry. Continuous concreting without interruption is important to achieve a strong and durable pile. Once construction is completed, quality testing is performed. A static load test verifies the load carrying capacity of the pile. Pile integrity test check for cracks, voids, or defects using wave reflection techniques. These tests ensure that the pile meets the design requirements before the construction continues. So let's conclude with a simple question. Which material is commonly used to stabilize the walls of board pile during drilling? Answer is bentonite slurry. As an additional activity, try drawing the cross section of board pile showing the reinforcement cage and Tremie pipe. So the information presented today is based on the standard textbook recommended for foundation engineering such as Punmya BC, Mittal Satyendra, Venkatramaya and KR Arora. Thank you for watching this video lecture. Please like, share and subscribe for more civil engineering educational videos. See you in the next lecture. Have a good day.